Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure your Meyer account is ready and you have the voucher code accessible. Open the Meyer app now and sign in. If you use biometrics, confirm it works. Once in, go directly to the Redeem or Wallet section. This saves time versus navigating menus. Make sure the voucher type matches what you want to add, such as wallet load or promo credit, because selecting the wrong category will require undoing steps later. You now enter the voucher code. Select Redeem, pick the correct category, and type or paste the code exactly. Pay attention to similar characters like O and 0 or I and 1. A single mistake causes rejection. After submitting, the app may ask for an OTP or a confirmation screen. Verify the amount and source before approving. Once you confirm, the system validates the code. While it processes, keep the app open and avoid canceling to prevent timeouts or duplicate attempts. You finish by verifying the balance or promo tab for the applied voucher. If the balance reflects the expected amount, you're done. Use funds immediately for payments or bills. If nothing changed, don't retry blindly. First, recheck the code entry and your connection, then wait a few minutes for processing. If the voucher still fails, take a screenshot of the error, note the timestamp, and contact Maya support with the code and receipt so they can resolve it without losing the voucher.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.